Volcanoes, snowstorm, samurai castles, and a village buried in so much snow, even the rooftops vanished. This is Japan like you have never seen it, and it all starts right now. We start this journey in Kyushu, crossed Shikoku, and now we are entering Honshu, Japan's largest island. Our road picks up just past the Shimanami Kaido Bridge, crossing from Shikoku onto the vibrant heart of Japan. We begin in Onomichi, a town beloved by filmmakers, artists, and anime fans. With its stair-filled slopes, narrow alleyway, and hillside temples, Onomichi has a unique atmosphere that feels bold, nostalgic, and cinematic. We sample takoyaki right near a filming location. Then grab a matcha flavored pastry from a local bakery. But Onomichi's charm lies beyond its food. As we ascend the hillside, with cats lounging along the path, we are reminded of a local saying: gaze into the cat's eyes too long and you may never return. At the top, panoramic view of Seto Island Sea. There is a rope away, but choosing the narrow alley, bare white inner fur kimono offers a more memorable adventure. Dinner is comforting bowl of ramen before returning our rental car in Okayama. From here, Japan's legendary rail system takes over. We ride the Shinkansen to Kyoto, hop on the Thunderbird, and then switch to the new Hokuriku Shinkansen, which glides us directly to Kanazawa. Kanazawa may not have Kyoto's global fame, but it has preserved much of the same elegance, with fewer crowds. Known as the City of Gold, over 99% of Japanese gold leaf is made here. You can even try gold leaf covered ice cream, but its charm doesn't end there. The city still maintains its geisha district, with historical tea houses and quite cobbled street. Our hotel is a highlight. Enter it traditional, with an onsen on the rooftop open until 2 a.m. After a soak, guests can relax with free ice cream or unwind in a cozy lounge. Nightfall, and we step out for a quick dinner before heading back for a long bath under the star. The next morning, we explore the city. We visit Kenrokuen, one of Japanese top 3 gardens. Its name means Garden of 6 Qualities, referencing attributes like spaciousness, tranquility, and scenic view. The nearby Kanazawa Castle stands as testament to the city's feudal past. Afterward, a short train ride brings us to Sea of Japan coast. In summer, it's perfect for beach lovers. In winter, we opt for warmth inside a restaurant and order okonomiyaki with natto, a dish that tastes like a debate between love and confusion. The weather shifts. Now begins to fall. After returning to the city center, we see comfort food and rest. Morning, we rent a car and follow the coast to Toyama. Snow-covered beaches create a surreal blend of sea and winter, something we have never seen before. With only limited time in Toyama, we walk briefly before heading inland toward Takayama. A snowstorm is predicted, so we allow extra time. Along the way, we notice jets of water spraying onto the road. No, it's not a broken hydrant, it's a Japanese anti-ice road technique. Brilliant. We arrived in Takayama late. Dinner, sleep. The morning market greets us. Steaming takoyaki, and taiyaki, pastries filled with red bean pasta. Here we met Sarubobo, the town's red, faceless mascot believed to bring good luck and safety. Next, Shirakawa-go, a UNESCO village famous for its gashozukuri houses. Their steep, braid-shaped roofs are designed to sheet snow, and they need it. This winter, so much snow fell that some rooftops disappeared beneath it. Over half the village was temporarily closed. A snowy stillness settled over the scene. Gashozukuri houses are over 250 years old, and about 100 remains. While tourists sustain the area today, a few families still live here all year round. After exploring the village and visiting a preserved house, we are returning to Kanazawa, stopping briefly at the roadside rest area. Even here we are surprised. The menu includes bear meat, and the frozen bathroom window look like something from a film. We drop off our car and ride the Shinkansen to Tokyo. We grab a bento for the journey. Tokyo greets us with its usual energy. We explore for a day, visiting a quiet temple and wandering a park. Next day, we rent a car and head to Chiba's Kuyukuri Beach, a gorgeous stretch of coastline just about an hour from Tokyo by car. Despite being so close, it's often overlooked by tourists. Yet here, locals surf years around, and the white sands offer a peaceful escape from the city. That evening, we returned the car. Although there were plenty of vehicles on the road, there were no major traffic jams, and the journey flowed smoothly even through the central Tokyo. Our final day, Narita. Not just the airport, but the town. If you have got a few hours before your flight, we highly recommend it visit Narita's temples and the surrounding park. A last brief of traditional Japan before departure. As our plane lifts off, we reflect. This wasn't just a trip, it was the beginning of something new. We are moving to Japan, and next time, Chiyogo coming too. Can you guess where we will live? Somewhere warm and very close to one of Japan's most active volcanoes. Thank you for watching. Our next video returns to Europe, but Japan will waiting for us next year. And up till next time, happy travel!